Na may Watson din pala. Ayan. Hello po. First day of first night of Hong Kong. Kasama ko ulit si Ken Garcia at Kenzo Gonzalez. Ay, parang tulali. Ayan, ang tawag po dito ay bus. Hindi nyo nakikita? Bus. Ayan. Ang ganda. Yung kanilang overpass, pabilog. It's,
Pwede, lakad tayo pa one side. Tapos, one side po, central. Tapos, lang Macau.
okay. One side, pupunta daw Macau. Ayan. Anong tawag doon? Oh my God. Ayan.
7-Eleven doon.
Yeah, walk. Walk tayo dito. Grabe. Walang-wala sa Manila. Ano yan?
Extra service.
Hala. Hi, baby. Charis.
Tingin mo may dog. May mga dog. Naihisis siya. Umihisis siya.
Hello.
Meron
Ito po
pong
yung tatawag na Kiswich Street. Oh, alam niyo yun. Shanghai Commercial Bank. Abo, grabe yung bangko dito. Talaga, oh.
Oh, the same?
Yes. No. The
Okay. Tell me some.
Yeah. And the sweet and
Oh,
Mm.
more. Wow. You give it all? Ay.
Huh? Huh?
So many.
It's so many. It's plenty. Okay, Ken Garcia, anong food?
Ganon din. Pero ito sa ay,
Yun.
yung talong.
Oh, how about you?
Mine, sweet and sour. And then the eggplant.
Uh-huh.
And then also that one. The same.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, yes.
And then eggplant.
What?
Your favorite?
Your favorites.
Yeah.
You can choose different dish and share it.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. I
You
can't see
try
you
when you
lah.
come back here.
I can't see you lah. Because I just do it here one day.
Okay. Oh.
Off tomorrow.
No off off sao? Xin chào đi mẹ. Oh.
All.
Food and the drink.